How to fix the ScriptHookV critical error in GTA 5 Legacy and enhanced after the latest update. If your game is crashing on startup, mods are not working, or you are getting errors like game version not supported or ScriptHookV.dll, follow these steps carefully. First, open the ScriptHookV official website from the link in the description. Download the latest version of ScriptHookV. Once the file is downloaded, extract it using a tool like WinRAR or 7-zip. Open the extracted folder, and then open your GTA 5 installation directory. You can find it by right-clicking GTA 5 and selecting Open File Location. Now, copy the required ScriptHookV files from the extracted folder into your main GTA 5 directory. If Windows asks you to replace existing files, select Replace the Files. After that, launch GTA 5 and check if the critical error is fixed. If your game starts successfully, your ScriptHookV installation is working correctly. Remember, after a major GTA 5 update, you may need to update ScriptHookV again because older versions may not support the new game version. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you, subscribe to the channel for more GTA 5 fixes, mods, and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
I want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job, no 9-5.